Did you know BEA offers a wealth of online resources to help you understand our economic data? Whether you're a business owner, analyst, student, developer, or just curious about what's happening in the U.S. economy, we've got you covered. Check out resources on BEA.gov where you can dive into our Learning Center, explore the methodologies behind our estimates, find student and teacher materials, and more. Not an economist? No problem. The Learning Center gives a high-level overview of BEA topics. You'll also find links to additional handy materials. Click on one of the topics on the right side of the Learning Center. Here you can find answers to questions like, what can you do with GDP? Where do you find GDP data? And other useful information and tidbits related to each topic. What are some other helpful BEA resources? The multimedia page hosts infographics and videos, like learning how to navigate BEA's interactive data tables. Want to test your BEA knowledge? Check out For Students, even if you're not one. Here you'll find lessons about measuring GDP and understanding your state's economy. We've included materials for teachers too. What else? Congressional users and developers also have dedicated pages with information tailored to their needs. Remember, there's more to explore at bea.gov/resources.